So now we are gonna go ahead and do a little validations here and there, and they're basically just little things. So if we go down here and go to posts and post.php, you can see that we actually in the last video we've did this line, and if when we hide this message down here, I only did this down here only to stop the script if actually the post comment is empty. All right, and this message will not be triggered because we set it as a display null, so it's not going to be triggered, but this one is the one that's going to be triggered. But I don't want to write like all of this just to perform this one little thing. I want to like remove this, go back over here and write this one simple line, which is a JavaScript line. We can go script, and this is like a better solution. You can go alert, and you are going to trigger an alert if the comment is not there, if the user did not write any comment. So we're gonna go write a comment. So you can now close this and it will work right away. So basically the alert will stop the page. All right, so if we save all of this, go back down here, but we're not logged in. In order to test this, we need to be actually logged in. So basically if we go ahead, grab any email and log in, and go ahead down here, post to, and if we go ahead and post comment, you can see that says right here, write a comment. We click OK. You can see if we actually go to comments now, let's say if we inserted like some empty comment or not, and there is no empty comments down here, so now it works. And I also like, after the user inserts a comment, I want to display some kind of message to tell the user that his comment is now going to the admin panel and it's going to be approved or activated by the admins. So in order to do this, basically do this, we need to go down here and let's comment this for a minute. So basically after the comment is inserted, we can actually grab this line and we can do it also with the alert. So basically we say comment added, and it will be forward to the admins. Right, so I'm guessing that that's okay for now. And if we go ahead, refresh this one, if we go comment for the admins to approve, if we post comment, you can see that we're getting our own message down here through the alert. And if we click on OK, now we're going back to the same page all over again. And if we go down here and refresh this, you can see that we got our own comment down here, and it has the status comment of 0. So that's basically it. I know this video was really short, and for the next couple of videos, I guess we have like now 2 videos. We're gonna go ahead and work on the admin panel so we can process our own comments, just like what we did with the posts. All right, so that's basically it, and see you in the next video.